What's up, YouTube? Leroy back. Doing a little bit different video again today. Something kind of like the garage floor video that I did. I'm actually going to do a video making the the saddlebag stands, doing the do-it-yourself PVC saddlebag stands. Because when you're detailing the bike, which it's a brand new bike, but I still love wiping it down and everything after I'm done riding it, trying to keep it as nice as possible. I don't have anywhere to set the saddlebags, and every time I do take the saddlebags off, I have a little table and I got to put towels on it and just have to be super careful. So I'm going to use the Tab Performance, I think, did a YouTube video. I'm using their video, going to make the PVC saddlebag stands. So yeah, follow along. She's always looking good, no matter what. So, in order to make the saddlebag stand, you need a 12-foot piece of 3/4 inch PVC pipe, which my local place didn't have 12-foot sections. They only had 5-foot sections, so I got 3 5-foot sections. And then you're going to need 10 3/4 inch 90-degree elbows, and then some of the 3/4 inch tees, 4 of these. And so now I'll measure these guys out and cut them, and I'm actually following the video along as I go. And I wrote down on my whiteboard here, so you need 4 16-inch tubes, 8 7-inch tubes, and 4 4-inch tubes. And then when you put the insulation on that they call for in the video, the Tab Performance video, you do the same thing, but you take off an inch for the insulation. So it'll be 4 pieces of 15-inch insulation, 8 pieces of 6-inch insulation, and then for the 4s, it actually has 2-inch cuts of insulation. So I just wrote that down. So I'm gonna make some marks, do my cuts, and yeah, go from there. Now we got 4 4-inch pieces, 8 7-inch pieces, 4 16-inch pieces, 4 tees, 10 90-degree elbows. Now we gotta cut the insulation. Alright, so we got our insulation cut for the 16-inch tubes now, 15-inch insulation cut, 6-inch insulation cuts for the 7-inch tubes. Now I just got to cut the last 4 2-inch insulation cuts. Alright. All of our cuts are made. Just got to slide the insulation. All the cuts are made. Just got to slide the insulation on the PVC now, and then start putting her together. All right, there's all of our cuts. get started putting it together. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, there's the finished product. Doesn't look too bad. Means that I just had a regular handsaw and a razor blade to cut the insulation. So let's see how it does now with the bags on it. Let's go get Well, there you have it. Do-it-yourself saddlebag stand. It turned out too bad. I think in the future I may make it taller. Just so that they're up off the ground more, but definitely way better than just setting them on this old table here and worrying about the back sides of them and all that. And yeah, so there you have it, guys. Please like, subscribe, share if you want to see more. Still got some more updates coming on the updates and upgrades coming on the Street Glide, so thanks.